Hey, what's up, Tron holders? So this is the trending coin, my friend. And this time in the crypto market, TRX is wake up again after a very long time, and exactly they will give you very good profit at the end of month. So especially it's good news for all a short-term investor who invest for a short time. But Tron, I remember Tron is very good coin for a short-term investing. So you always remember my friends to in a short time they will give you very good profit. Let's get started this brand new. Kindly before I get start this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel and also make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. You can see here after this, my friend, I am also going to show you the latest update, but this time you can say the prediction is going to be very important. I predict this in very short time. You can see this time after a jump they fails down. Every graph frequency is moving like that, so therefore you can see after a fail you can see they also take a very good jump. It's a huge jump is coming soon, my brother, so you need to understand. You can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So it's time you can see here they fails down, so it's mean, my brothers, to the good jump is coming soon. This time you can see here plus 0.84% they change occur, so it's mean to they are in the profit. Just and only this is very short fail, but this time you can see here they change occur will be further, so it's mean to they are in the profit. You can see, my brother, this time after a last 1 hour they very badly fails down, minus 2.22% they fails down. But if you can see here after this short fails they take a jump and they go completely in the moon. So Tron is completely going the moon in upcoming time. It's under, I'm 100% give you guarantee, my brother, to they will give you very good profit at the end of month. If you hold, make sure, my brothers, they will make you millionaire, they will make you rich man. Yes, exactly, my friend. This is the latest update. The huge jump is soon, so it's mean to you invest more and more. And remember, this is not a financial video. The CEO, my brother, of Tron, I absolutely tell this, my friend. Especially I see the tweet of COO of Tron to they will wake up in upcoming time. The huge jump is soon. So let's see, my brother, to a really huge jump is soon or not. But kindly you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching. Hold up, please like this video and also subscribe this channel.